how we have built a Google Ads engine from scratch for a local air duct cleaning service company. Hi everyone, my name is Amy and we are Softrix. We have been helping businesses grow for a long time. Over the last few years, we have worked with thousands of clients worldwide and delivered real-time results through PPC, SEO and the website development. Our focus has always been on creating strategies that drive leads, sales and the long-term growth. And today, I want to share with you a case study that shows exactly how we have built a Google Ads engine from scratch for a local air duct cleaning service company. They were investing in the SEO and building content, but they needed leads as soon as possible. Competitors were already bidding on duct cleaning keywords, running searches and local ads and taking the top positions. We had zero ads, zero tracking and no previous performance data. Our campaign was simple: set up the foundation, get traffic quickly and turn that traffic into real phone calls and form leads fast. We began with setup. First, we have created the Google AdWords account from ground up and connected Google Tag Manager and configured GA4 with clean, reliable conversion tracking. Calls and the form submissions were tagged as the primary conversions with enhanced events to measure user quality. Without strong tracking, it's impossible to optimize or scale. So we have tested every tag, confirmed events from the GA4 and ensured data matched the real-time inquiries. Once the framework was solid, we moved to launch. Our business itself offers air duct cleaning for homes in South Bend and nearby areas. The service focuses on cleaning all supply and return ducts, the furnace area, the plenum and main trunk lines with optional sanitization of vents. They offer two cleaning methods: a gold standard brush and suction method for deep scrubbing and a silver positive air method using 150 psi to loosen and blow out the debris. Their promise is simple: improved airflow, healthier air, low energy rates and fixed pricing based on the air footage and service type and strong quality assurance. In short, clear positioning, clear value and a strong reason to act for now. Our first phase was awareness. We have launched the display campaigns without images and clear messaging about clean air, better HVAC efficiency, reduced dust and allergens and simple fixed pricing. These ads targeted local audiences, homeowners and the people browsing home services. The purpose was to warm the market, introduce the brand and build remarketing pools. We have kept creatives clean and compliant, avoided exaggerated claims, used realistic benefits and aligned with the Google policy requirements. Then we have shifted to conversion focused search campaigns. We have built the keyword groups and around core intents like air duct cleaning, vent cleaning, HVAC duct cleaning near me and the city specific variations. We have then separated out the ad group by service method and funnel stage. High intent queries got more direct ads and stronger call to action like schedule cleaning today and fixed price, no estimates. We have wrote the ad copies in simple English, focus on the outcomes: cleaning air, improved ventilation, reduced energy costs and matched the landing page with a clear, easy UX. So every ad was updated from policy compliance and we have avoided any language that could flagged as misleading or sensational. Traffic started to build with the first month and we saw steady clicks and engaged sessions. So in the second month, we have seen that we have activated the dedicated lead campaigns, optimizing for phone calls and the form fills. This is where the engine began to turn. We have got around almost 26 leads with the CPA of around 31 or so. The baseline was set, data flowed cleanly, and we had enough signals to refine the account properly. From here, we went deep into the management. We have refined audiences, excluded irrelevant segments, and tightened location targeting to the areas around that converted best. We have paused the non-performing campaigns and devices that wasted the spend. We have actually reduced bids on weak times of the day and improved the ad rotation to favor the best performers. Negative keywords became vital. We have systematically blocked the informational and the DIY queries and have prevented spend on unrelated HVAC services. We have evaluated search terms every week, updated the match types, and expanded exact match for the top converters. The third month showed the impact of this in discipline. We have reached around 56 conversions while the CPA dropped to only 22, with better intent matching, stronger ads, and the remarketing audiences. The cost per click also started to go down. We have introduced fresher creatives, improved headlines for the clarity, and then made our landing pages more direct. No heavy blocks of text, just benefits, proofs, and the strong call to actions. We have kept testing site links and the call extension to increase the engagement. In the fourth month, we have scaled with confidence. We have focused bids on the top converting zip codes, sharpened and scheduled around the phone call availability, and prioritized the search term that signaled readiness to book. We have refreshed the ad copies to improve the guarantee, better airflow, healthier air, and the social energy cost, all with fixed pricing and the professional cleaning. As a result, we have achieved over 132 leads from both phone calls and the form submissions, with the CPA dropping to just 16, fell from 7 to 3, that is a CPC, proving that quality targeting and continuous optimization can beat the competitors without burning the budget. This journey was not magic. It was clear, simple process. Set a strong technical base, start with the awareness to warm the market, build conversion focused search campaigns with smart ad grouping, keep ads policy compliant, and then manage, test, and refine every week. We didn't chase the vanity metrics. We have chased clean data, high intent based keywords, and user experience that makes it easy to book. When the data told us something was not working, we just cut it down. When something worked, we have doubled down. For businesses that want leads quickly while the SEO is still building momentum, this approach works. If you are starting from scratch, you don't need complex theories. You need clarity, clean packing, strong intent targeting, and the relentless optimization. In 4 months, we have turned a brand new account into a reliable source of leads at a lower cost. Despite strong competitors in the market, that's the power of simple, disciplined Google Ads. If you are ready to turn your traffic into real bookings, so let's connect. I am Amy, and at Softrix, we create the campaign that are clean, compliant, and built to deliver the results step by step. If you found this case study helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more tips, updates, and success stories to help your business grow further.